Hello, financial fans. We have one very familiar stock and three not so well known stocks for our stocks to consider this week. And the stock that is one we've heard of many times before in the past is General Motors, the symbol GM. And there was once a famous quote from a former General Motors president. That was Charles Wilson. Back in 1953, he was nominated to be the Secretary of Defense. And one of the reporters asked Charles Wilson, could you make a decision that would be bad for General Motors? And Charles Wilson said, what's good for General Motors is good for America. And anyway, that is the General Motors quote, but I'll give you another General Motors quote here. We'll look at the numbers. General Motors symbol GM, and it closed the week at $53.65 per share, and it was down quite a bit on Friday. And we look on the left-hand column, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $28.24 to $64.30. So it is nearer the high than it is to the low, and it still has headroom. So this is a good number the way this is looking right at the moment, just looking at the 52-week range, nothing else. The average volume near the bottom of that first column on the left, average volume, 15 million shares trade every day. And at the bottom of that column, the people who study stocks say that General Motors is undervalued, meaning they think it's going to go up in value, and it certainly could. There are a lot of good possibilities for General Motors. The PE ratio, third item down the middle column, 6.23. That is fabulous. Anything under 10 is a fabulous PE ratio. And the forward dividend and yield is not applicable. They do not pay a dividend. But look at that one-year target estimate near the bottom of the middle column, $72.14. That would be a big move upward from its current price of $53.65. Now we look at a less familiar name, Manulife Financial Corporation, MFC is the symbol, and it is trading at $20.35 a share. 2/3 of the way down the left-hand column, 52-week range, $13.13 to $22.25, so it's very close to its high. And the average volume near the bottom of that first column on the left, 3.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio in the middle of the third item down in the middle column, 7 is the PE ratio, and that is a very good number indeed. The forward dividend and yield pays 4 and almost 0.5% dividend, 4.38% dividend. And the one-year target estimate, tiny move upward, $23.61, so that would be nice if that happens. Now we look at Mitsubishi UFG Financial Group Incorporated, and the symbol MUFG, a low price stock, $5.58 a share. 52-week range, $3.86 to $6.02, so it's nearer to its high than it is to the low. Average volume, almost 2 million shares trade every day, 1.8 million shares of this $5.58 stock trade every day, and it's considered to be near fair value. And the PE ratio, in that middle column, third item down, 6. That's a great PE ratio. Forward dividend and yield, you get 4% for holding on to the stock, and they do not have an estimate for a one-year target price. The last stock we'll look at, Joy, J-O-Y-Y is the actual spelling, but the symbol YY, $45.20 a share, and the 52-week range, $44.95 to $148.88, so it's right down there near the bottom. So it certainly has lots and lots of headroom. It could move up but no guarantees in the stock market. The average volume, a little over 1 million shares trade every day, and it's considered to be overvalued even though it's near its low for the past 52 weeks. The PE ratio, 2.65. That is absolutely incredible. It's great. It's a good thing. Forward dividend and yield, 4.4% for holding on to the stock. And that 4.4% you get if they keep paying the $2.04. And the $2.04 should be easy to find in that $17.03 earnings per share that is noted there for its EPS. 1 year target price, we like that, 126.33. And I thank you for watching.